the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Okay, wake the streets up. Okay, wake the streets up. Okay, come on. Okay, wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Come on, wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? We got the infamous sound test going on. What we have here, Pixel 3a. And version, the iPhone 11. And what we have is a non-copyright gangster music setup. So, we're going to see which one lasted through 3 songs through the test. That's all that is. A little surprise might be thrown in. You don't know what phone that is. Just to see. That's all at the end of the test. Just a test. I won't fire a bottom speaker. But this right here is going to prove the sound kings of the tech world right here. All right, let's begin. All right, Keystone 291 right here in effect. How are you doing today? Now let's start with the iPhone 11 first. Okay, this one for 142. All music and everything's at top volume. As natural settings of the phone. Okay. Is it your sound test? Vote which one is the best one. Now I'm going to move on to the next song. Starting the iPhone 11 first.
Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get flyed in this. Roll up dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip. Pull up and I'm loading the clip. New bitch, yeah, stay on my hip. Niggas fucking, they not with this shit. Catch a body, you might just get hit. But lately been all about drip. New designer, just look at the fit. And I just blew a bag on my bitch. You got clout, but you don't got the drip. You get money, that's some type of myth. I can blind you, bitch, look at the wrist. For that bag, and I might take a risk. Don't get crushed, cause you care about a bitch.
Alright. Pixel 3a.
Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get flyed in this. Roll up dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip, drip, drip. Pull up and I'm loading the clip. New bitch, yeah, stay on my hip. Niggas talking, they not with this shit. Catch a body, you might just get hit. But lately been all about drip. New designer, just look at the fit.
Okay. That was the Pixel 3a. Alright. So we're gonna do to the next song right here. Alright. Let's do this one. iPhone 11.
Yeah, nigga, you can't get up on my level. Yeah, shorty check the watch, she love the dazzle. Yeah, pistol pop your ass like a blood vessel. Niggas signing contracts, kick it with the devil. Every day a struggle, trying to get some cash. Bitches love it.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, nigga, you can't get up on my level. Yeah, shorty check the watch, she love the dazzle. Yeah, pistol pop your ass like a blood vessel. Niggas signing contracts, kick it with the devil. Every day a struggle, trying to get some cash. Bitches love when I talk, cause I speak fast. I was hit the block, you know who I'm attacked. Tell me what you want, you know I got that. Yeah,
Here we go, Pixel 3a.
nigga, you can't get up on my level. Yeah, shorty check the watch, she love the bezel. Yeah, pistol pop your ass like a blood vessel. Niggas signing contracts, kick it with the devil. Every day a struggle, trying to get some cash. Bitches love when I talk, cause I speak fast. White boys hit the block, you know who I'm attacked. Tell me what you want, you know I got that. Yeah, treat your bitch wrong, I'ma take her out. Shoot a few things, tell her what I'm about.
Pixel 3a. So we're gonna do one more track. Let's go look for HG Rambo. They got all types of trap tracks in here. I don't usually listen to trap music, but I want to just do something different. That's all it is. Something that's up to 2020 standards. That's all. So So what y'all think about this so far? I think it's going pretty good. Even though I made the one little mistake. Okay, let's do this bushy. iPhone 11. We're gonna go through half of the song.
One shot, two shots, she gonna get some more. 5 shots, 6 shots, she gonna hit the floor. 9 shots, 10 shots, she never wanted more. I'm supposed to be your boyfriend, but it's a chore. Why you fucking rude? I know you wanna make it, but why does it make you cool? I tell her you don't love her and you couldn't make it, dude. Cause you don't need another fucking lady with your crew. I know what you mean. You got
Okay, here we go. Last song, Pixel 3A. Yeah, we won't throw it in. We're gonna throw this in right now. One fire and speaker. You probably already know what phone this is. Phone I use for business. Okay. Catch the drift with one fire and speaker. These phones right here are dual. So we're gonna finish the song with this. You be the judge. Which one's the best one? Pixel 3A, iPhone 11, or my little throw up in there? And that was one bottom fire and speaker just to give you a sample of what single and dual speakers sound like. Alrighty then, sound test is up. You're the judge of audience. Give me your votes. Make sure you sub and subscribe. Push the likes up on the video. Very important. Push the likes up. Alright, choose your song. Choose between the two. You know what it is. Alright, and the Keystone 291 and aka 267 Technologies is out here. Keystone Tech in full effect, boy. Early, representing Philadelphia. Alright, one. I want a photo, asshole.
Wake the streets up. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Wake the streets up. Okay. Wake the streets up. Okay. Come on. Okay. Wake the streets up. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Wake the streets up. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.